And welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Stocks. In today's video, we are going to talk about the three charging station companies that I think you guys should definitely have in your portfolio. But before we get started, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button as well as press that amazing subscribe button, because it does go a long way in supporting the channel. And I do thank every single one of you guys, especially to all the 843 subscribers that I do have. I thank you all. So let's get started with the first one that I think you guys should definitely have in your portfolio, and that is SBE, Switchback Energy Acquisition, which is going to have a merger with another company, ChargePoint. But we do look 35.99, right? It is a little high. I do want to specify it is a little high, right? So I agree that you guys should have this in your portfolio, but not right now. If you haven't had a position in this company as of yet, don't start one right now. Wait for the little pullback that they are gonna have, and then you could go ahead and get in it. I did talk about this company around September 25-ish, and it was running for around $12.46, right? Since then, it has increased and gone up towards the upside 188.84%. That is incredible positive news, right? Like, if you got in at that point, you've had so much gains. It is incredible. If you had gone back around this area right here, stay. Don't sell. Don't panic sell. Don't do anything like that. There is going to be some kind of correction, right? There is probably going to be like a 25% correction. Don't panic sell. Keep your positions. That's fine. For those who haven't started a position yet, don't buy in it yet. Just make sure you have that in your watch list. Now, who is ChargePoint? They are a they do like charge locations for your electric vehicle cars. And don't forget that coming into the future, there is gonna be tons and tons of electric vehicle cars, and they're like people who have charging stations. They will already have had a step ahead of everyone else. That's why I'm making this video, right? So they have access to hundreds of thousands of places to charge with one account, which is an app. They do it all. They have 85.9 million chargers delivered and counting. So this company is doing incredible things. Definitely have this in your portfolio. Second one in this video is Blink, right? Blink. Currently going for $36.34. Yes, I agree. It's a little high as well. Look at it. November 13th, last month, it was at $9.70. And all of a sudden, it had this huge explosion towards the upside, 274% to the upside. That is incredible. Now, do I think that there is going to be some kind of correction? Yes. All of these will have a correction, especially Blink. I think it had a lawsuit maybe like a month ago or so. That's what you see some correction of 35% or some loss of 35%. But I believe this company is here for the long term. They are here to stay, and they are here to make you so much money. They also do have a lot of potential to increase in multiple countries. But I think this is definitely one to have in your portfolio as of right now, because they are doing incredible things, and they are able to have a lot of adapters to connect to multiple cars as well. So definitely have this in your portfolio, because it could honestly make huge gains for you. Okay, definitely look into this, because I am. Technically, I haven't gone into this company quite yet, so I'm waiting a little bit till it has that correction. But $36.34, I believe it's a little too high for me right now. Now, the third one I do want to talk about is another SPAC, right? Newborn Acquisition Corp. Yes, it's Chinese. Currently going for $16.95. It is pretty good at the moment, and I do believe once it does go into a merger with this other company, it will explode towards the upside. Don't forget, China is the #1 in the EV business, and newborn acquisition is going to go into an expansion to Europe as well. And the company that they are merging with is Nuvi. I did do a video about this company a while back, and they were going for around $11. So definitely have this in your portfolio because it could create so much gains for you guys, especially since they are going into the European business and they are staying in China as well. So that creates a lot of more business with them. They do have this thing where it's like a vehicle to go grid innovation. You're able to buy obviously the charge, and then you're able to sell it back if you didn't end up using it. So it's definitely something to keep in mind because they do have quite a bit of things in action that could create a lot of catalysts in order to make it go into definitely a very positive side. Now, if you see right here, in the last 6 months, it was going for around $10, and then it shot up to around $22, which is 121%. Since then, it kind of shot down 24%. Now, I believe this company is going to shoot towards the upside, and it's going to be huge gains for everyone. Definitely keep this in your portfolio. I mean, if you really think about it, it's kind of like ChargePoint and Blink, both currently going for $36, and newborn acquisition or slash Nuvi after the merger, I believe is going to definitely go to that same or even higher of a price point than the other two companies that I did mention. Anyways, that was today's video. Hopefully you guys liked it. 3 charging stations that I believe will make huge money for every single one. SBE or ChargePoint, definitely have that in your portfolio. Blink, definitely have that in your portfolio. Been talking about these guys for a while now. And Newborn Acquisition Corp or Nuvi, which is gonna, they're gonna do a merger, and SBE is also gonna do a merger. So definitely keep that in your portfolio or in your watch list if you haven't started a position in this company quite yet. All right, so don't forget to drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. We are so close to the 900 subscriber mark, and I do thank every single one of you guys. But I will see you guys back on Coffee and Stocks.